What's your minimum specification? So if you're like me and you don't have enough USB ports, at the minute I'm using 11 devices and my system only has 9. What you need, if you don't have any space on your desk, is one of these. This is an Anker 4-port hub, and one of these double-sided 3M thing, double-coated tissue tape. Take your tape, put one end on your device, peel the other off, and the best place to put this is just here. Fix it to the underside of your desk, hold down for a good 30 seconds, and then just plug it in. Or if you're really smart, you'll plug it into the back of your PC. But there you go, how to easily add USB ports to your system when you don't have any space on your desk.